If you don't know this simple math rule, you'll never solve these questions correctly. Most people think they know it, but somehow, they still get the wrong answer. So here's your challenge. Can you solve these questions without making even one mistake? In this video, I'm going to teach you the correct order of operations, step by step. You'll learn what to solve first, what comes next, and how to avoid the mistakes that most people make. Then, we'll solve a few tricky examples together. They may look simple at first, but trust me, one tiny mistake can change the whole answer. So stay with me until the end. Try every question with me. Follow the steps. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to solve these problems correctly. Let's begin. Today, I want to talk to you about the order of operations in mathematics. This is a very basic and fundamental topic, but it is extremely important. Many people struggle with mathematics, especially with foundational concepts. Even though the topic is simple, it is highly practical and widely used, and many learners have difficulties with it. So, let's begin with the order of operations in mathematics. The first priority in mathematics is always parentheses. For example, 2 times 3 plus 5. The first thing we do is calculate the expression inside the parentheses, which equals 8. Then, to multiply by 8 equals 16. The second priority in mathematics is exponents, like a to the power of n. For example, 2 times 3 to the power of 3. The first thing we do is calculate the exponent. 3 to the power of 3 equals 27. Then, 2 multiplied by 27 equals 54. The third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. For example, 2 plus 3 times 4. Here, we must perform the multiplication first, because multiplication has a higher priority than addition. 3 times 4 equals 12. Then, 2 plus 12 equals 14. Now, what happens if multiplication and division appear together? Consider these two examples. 2 plus 3 times 4 divided by 5. And 2 plus 3 divided by 4 times 5. When multiplication and division appear together, we solve them from left to right. In the first example, we first calculate 3 times 4, which equals 12. Then, we divide 12 by 5. So, we have 2 plus 12 fifth. And finally, 2 plus 2.4 equals 4.4. In the second example, we first calculate 3 divided 4. Then, we multiply it by 5. So, we have 2 plus 3/4 multiplied by 5. Then, we continue it with 2 plus 0.75 by 5. Finally, 2 plus 3.75 equals 5.75. As you can see, the answers are different. Therefore, whenever multiplication and division appear together, we must solve from left to right. The final priority is addition and subtraction. For example, 3 plus 4 minus 2 times 6 minus 5 2 times 3 Since multiplication has a higher priority, we calculate the multiplications first. 2 times 6 equals 12. And 2 times 3 equals 6. So, the expression becomes 3 plus 4 minus 12 minus 5 plus 6. Now, we solve step by step. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 minus 12 equals -5. -5 minus 5 equals -10. And -10 plus 6 equals -4. So, the final answer is -4. Now let's solve a more comprehensive example to conclude this lesson. Another example. 2 minus 3 squared multiplied by 2 plus 3 to the power of 3 minus 4 by 2 squared minus 1. As we said earlier, the first priority is parentheses. So, we begin by solving the expressions inside the parentheses first. Inside the first parentheses, 3 to the power of 3 equals 27. Then, 2 plus 27 equals 29. Inside the second parentheses, 2 squared equals 4, and 4 minus 1 equals 3. So, the expression becomes 2 minus 3 squared multiplied by 29 minus 4 times 3. Now, the priority is exponents. 3 squared equals 9. So, we have 2 minus 9 times 29 minus 4 times 3. Next, we perform the multiplications. 9 times 29 equals 261, and 4 times 3 equals 12. So, the result becomes 2 minus 261 minus 12. Finally, the answer is -271. That concludes this lesson. Now, I will leave you with 2 exercises. Try solving them yourself, and write your answers in the comments. Exercise 1. 3 squared, divided by 2 to the power of 4, multiplied by 6, plus 2 to the power of 3, minus 5. Exercise 2. 4 times 9 squared, divided by 3, multiplied 2, 6 squared minus 1. Cross 5 squared, divided by 3. Solve these exercises, and share your answers in the comments. Until next time, goodbye, and good luck.